Gackle, North Dakota. 9 degrees right now, probably colder with the wind chill. But I'm driving through town and it is very, very windy and snowing. And of course there's snow drifts everywhere. This just started yesterday. Ooh, we're getting a little bit of slipping and sliding. So yeah, we're gonna see what the main highway looks like right now and make sure nobody's stuck in an intersection, just to be courteous, and hopefully everybody gets home. Looks like everybody is not going to be hanging out on Main Street today. Yeah, you can see all the snow. The windshield isn't actually dirty. It's just very, very windy. And there's the post office. But if you like hunting and if you like snow, come to Gackle.